Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. See, in this very charming see, charming morning, we are going to start with the lesson number 1.5, a Kabbadi match. What is the name of the lesson? A Kabbadi match. See, this is the game you may play in your school. Okay, you may like it to play on the ground. It's very nice. Let's understand what they have given in the textbook in the lesson about this Kabbadi match. Yes. Let's start here. You can see even the picture. The players, they are playing Kabbadi match on the ground. Yes. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. See, even you also have the sport meets at your school. When does it scheduled here? It is scheduled next month. Okay, the practice matches had already begun, and see, even if there is this sport meet, the the players, they are starting their practice before. So the practice matches, they have already started began. Ninth B were the favorite as they had strong players in their team. And this ninth B, their team, their class, it was favorites of everyone because they had strong players in their team. Yes, the Kabaddi trials were on, and the trials, it was going on. This year there were 3 new students in class 9th A, but this year it was something different. In 9th A there were 3 new students were admitted. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players, and those 3 students, those were admitted in 9th A, they were very good player, outstanding players in Kabaddi. 9th A, Hope scored. See, now this 9th A, they were happy that they have 3 good students in their match. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. And those they were watchers, they have started to clap to this both the teams, to cheer these teams. Okay. 9th A on the toss and sent their raider Govind. And 9th A, this class has won the toss, and the raider, his name is Govind, he has sent in other teams. He was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9B. See, now he was clever. He was so swift that before opponents realized that, means see, the opponents, they did not know, and he has touched the Suresh from 9B. How clever he has, see, and was already heading home. A point was scored, and 9B, they have got one point, because he has touched 9 from 9th child has touched to 9B child Suresh. Ravi from 9B was a very strong player, and 9B Ravi, he was also very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to. See how he was catching to the players. They have given it very nice here. See Ravi, he was from 9B and he was the stronger player in Kabaddi. What he used to, he was sufficient to catch hold of any player. So how tightly he used to hold the player. See, he used to hold it between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from grip was next to impossible. All the players were literally afraid of him. See, he was holding the other player very tightly. So the other players, they literally used to afraid of him. This act player had won many matches for 9B, and this player he has because of him 9B they have won so many matches. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9B were unbeatable. And the Mohan and the Vinod they were also very good player in 9B. Yes. Now here Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. Now they are talking about here 9th A. Mangesh, he is in the 9th A. He was also strong player. He was a good match for Ravi, and he was also same as Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamed at any strong oppositions from any team. And Ravi, no, he was not thinking that he will have any oppositions from any other team. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in spectators thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh. See, when Mangesh entered the 9th A and the others watchers spectators what they thought that the 9th A they will lose the Mangesh, but Mangesh proved his mettle. But Mangesh did not lose. He has proved his mettle he owned. He was on the ground with the anti-raiders catching hold of his waist and legs, and the others they were there. They were trying to catching him. Yes. See, let's see what had happened next. Slowly he inches toward his course. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying to their best to pull him back, but with great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. See, here you can see, here Mangesh is playing. Even though all the players they are stopping him, then also he has touched this line, and all the people they were watching they have cheered for him. See, slowly he inches over his court. All the anti-raiders, these anti-raiders they were trying to stop. They were trying their best to pull him back, but with great determination he has touched this line, and even he has not lose his breath also. Now next what had happened, see. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya who were holding him were also declared out. See, even this Mangesh, he had not saved himself. He saved himself but also he had scored 3 points, yes, for his team. And Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya who were holding him were also declared out. And this Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya they were holding him, they declare out because Mangesh he turned back in his team safely without losing his breath. Understood up to here? Now 9B students they have start to play very cautiously, very nicely. Mihir of the Raiders even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A, and Mihir he was the Raider. What he tried to manage no tag Sohan in 9th A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids, and after next few raids that much not happen. Now it was Vivek's raid. Now Vivek was going for raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. And this Vivek he used to play with strategies and the strategies used to work. The remaining 3 players from 9B trapped Vivek. And in the 9B there were only 3 players were remain. Okay, they tried to trap Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court, and Vivek slowly moved back. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him, and thus 3 remained from the 9B. They also tried to went after him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the middle with the anti-raiders still hanging onto his arm. Oh, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. See, Vivek, these 3 they have caught this Vivek, and they were no these three were trying to stop Vivek, to pull Vivek, but Vivek did not stop there, and the 9B team, it was declared out. Yes, 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus point of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. What an enviable enviable score! It set the heads of the 9th B reeling, and 9th A, the team was winning. Yes, actually managed to get three more bonus point of Lona. Yes, and it was an icing on the cake, and the 9th A team was no in good condition, so they have told it here. It was icing on a cake for them. What an enviable score, and they had very good score. It said the heads of 9B reeling, and this 9B, it was reeling. It was in the way of losing the match. After the half-time break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence, and half break had happened, and the 9th A students, they were in full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the as Raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi, and again they have no start to catch this Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the areas of Kabaddi, and see their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, helplessness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. And this 9th A, they have finally won the match because of their spirit, their confidence, their strategies, and their swiftness. Okay, suppleness. These are the qualities help them for 9th A to win the match. And this 9B, they have never tested defeat earlier, means they have never lost match earlier, they have told it here. Now one pages remain, that let's see what they have given on this Kabaddi. They have given the information about Kabaddi. It is an ancient sport. It originated in India, has now become popular in many countries. It was originated where in India, and now some countries, so many countries, they are playing this game, so that many international events are organized, and the other countries, they are also playing this same game. Because of that, international events are held. In this event, international rules are followed, and when there is international game, the international rules are followed there in these games. But several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Jaimini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. See the styles, Kabaddi styles they have given, Sanjeevani, Jaimini, Amar. These are the followed in different parts of India. Yes. Now let's go to the next little part is remain. Yes. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. Yes, you may have seen the ground of Kabaddi. There is a midline, and two teams are there. In each team there are 7 members. By facing face to face, they are in different no partition is there. The game is actually usually played in 2 halves with a half time break in between, and in 2 halves it's played. There is the half time between 2 halves. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court, and the court is there. In this court, they are exchanging their sides, means one team is come in another side, and another team will go in their opposite side. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. Okay, and how does it start? Each team, they are sending their raiders across the midline is there, and the raider is crossing the midline in and going in another team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. all in one breath. In one breath, raider has to touch the other team members without losing breath and has to come back safely to his own team. Then only they can win the match. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi 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 all the time. And the raider in one breath, he does not have to inhale the breath again, and continuously he has to say the kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. Okay, if he has to inhale again, he is out. And see, the raider, if he has to inhale again, he is declared as out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. What opponents do? See, the opponents try to catch the raiders. The opponents also, the raider who is there, try to catch and stop him going back. And what they are doing, the raiders should not go again back. They are trying to do this, okay, from their halves. And he should lose his breath. They are thinking about that. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. And the raider, if he goes successfully back in his team, and those they have touched to the raider, they all are declared as out. Yes. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point, and the opposite team they are scoring the point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points alone. See, the two teams are there. One team is all out, then the opposite team, they will get a point alone. It's called a lona. The team with the maximum points win the match, and the team with the maximum point wins the match. Yes, the game of kabaddi requires good health. Those the player they want to play this kabaddi, they need good health. Okay, muscular strength, strategy skill, a lot of practice, and above all, these all the things player should know, player should have. Great determinations. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi, and the Indian boys and girls they are always excelled in kabaddi. Would you like to be an as kabaddi player when you are a little older? They have asked it here question. When you will get elder, would you like as a kabaddi player? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. Then they have told, who knows that when you grow earlier, when you become little old, you may get this good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, lots of practice, great determination. Then you can win for your school, district, even state and the country also. This was the lesson. Very nice lesson it is. It's give something for us to learn, and we can understand very nicely. See, in the description box the link is given of the exercise, that also you have to see. And if you are new on our channel, dear student, please subscribe it, share it and like it. And to get more videos, please go on our channel. You will get so many videos to learn, and even all the exercises also. Thank you.